next step is the calculation aspect. So now we know that our V is equal to RW. Now velocity of B is given by omega BC multiplied by radius of BC. Of course, you know that your BC is talking about your crank. So now we'll be giving omega for BC as 10. So that simply means your velocity of B is going to be 10 multiplied by 0.05. 0.05 is the distance BC, that's 50 mm. So you change it to meter, and that's going to give you 0.5 meter per second. That's the velocity of B. So, but how about the velocity of A in terms of our instantaneous center? Our velocity of A in terms of instantaneous center is given by V VA is equals to omega AB multiplied by I13A. And then the velocity of B as well in terms of instantaneous center is also given by omega AB multiplied by I13B. So that is to say, from the diagram, we need to get the distance I13A. And we also need to get the distance I13B. That's from our construction. So now for us to get I13A is going to be from this point to this point. As you can see here, that's from point I13 here to this point, and that's about 9.5 mm. I mean, that's 95 mm. And then your I13B is going to be from here to point B, and that's about 142 mm. So now we can put these values into this. So now we already know our VA, we know I13A, we know I13B. Automatically we can now get our VA, and our VA is the velocity of the slider. This is your A, it means velocity of the slider A, and it's going to be, so now we can equate these equations. We can have it like this. We can have our VA over I13A to be equal to omega AB to be equals to VB over I13B. So now put in the values. VA over I13A is 95 is equals to, we already calculated our VB as 0.5. We know our I13B as what? 142. So making VA the subject of the formula, we're going to have 0.5 multiplied by 0.095, that's changing it to meter, all over 0.142. So press your calculator, you're going to have 0.335 meter per second. So this is the velocity of your slider. Now we're also expected to find the angular velocity of the connecting rod, which is simple. Your omega AB is the angular velocity of the connecting rod. So you can use either this or this. So we can have omega AB equals to 0.5, which is the velocity of B, all over 0.142. So I'm trying to use this. So that means we are now going to have what? 3.52 rad per second as the word angular acceleration of the rod AB. So now we've been able to locate all the centers, 6 of them. We've been able to find the velocity of the slider VA, and then we've been able to find the angular acceleration of the connecting rod AB.